Hello everyone, and welcome back. I thought I would throw up a quick video here explaining the trailer. I swear I get tons of comments on this when I post a video from the farmhouse. If you guys have been following the farmhouse videos, you know this trailer was here when we bought the place, of course. It's in pretty rough shape. It looks pretty rough on the outside here. From what we can find out, it was put in 1993. The house itself was built in 1942, so it came in later for a while. Somebody lived here. There was a satellite dish out back and everything, but from what we hear, whatever owner had turned the barn over there into a cabinet shop, and this then was the office. So a lot of it inside has been gutted. You know, there's no kitchen that works or anything like that, no bathroom that works. And we were originally just our thing was to tear it out. And eventually we will get it tore out of here. But, you know, the winters are real harsh up here. So what we did is we run electricity out to it, and we heat it in the wintertime. And Melissa has a lot of rescue cats. And in the winter, you know, they can't be outside. So we heat it in the wintertime, and the cats live in here. So for right now, it has a use. Eventually, we're planning on putting another barn in here somewhere. Or we might do some little buildings for cats, because not all of the cats get along together. So Melissa likes to kind of keep them separated. I don't have any electric over on this side right now, but anyway, you can see. I mean, it's run down, but for a cat house, heated in the wintertime, it's absolutely beautiful. We have 2 cats that stay in the house all the time, and we have one that kind of goes in and out. Sometimes that one seems to have trouble, like it's not doing real well or something, so we'll bring it inside. Otherwise, we just have the 2 cats in the house, and I don't know, we have quite a few cats that stay out here in the winter. At one time, somebody built this little entryway on here. That does not stay heated, but it's nice because at least you're not going directly from 2 feet of snow on the ground to inside the trailer. You've got a little transition area before you go in. Some of the cats like this, they can get in and out right now, but there are a couple that just love to stay in the trailer most of the time. Like I said, this is just an entryway into it. There's nothing spectacular about it at all. It just is something that keeps the weather out. And here you can just kind of see it on this side here. Nothing much, it's just like 3 rooms, the one we were in, this one, and there's one back one here. And we put heaters in every room. We don't have any lights on back here, but anyway, you get the idea of it. In the winter, when all the cats, when we keep them locked in there, Melissa will go out there every single night and she'll just sit with the cats for a long time. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Now you're all up to date on the trailer. I have a video that I can just click on and paste when the comment comes up. And like I said, we do want to get rid of the trailer eventually, but for right now, we're using it, so might as well leave it. I will see you guys on the next video.